This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi and have recent updates. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Once done, enable AirPlay on the Apple TV so it advertises itself. Now on your Mac, open System Settings and go to Displays. The AirPlay menu appears only when the TV is reachable. Make sure Bluetooth and Wake for network access are enabled on the Mac so discovery is fast. These steps get you to the point where your Mac can see and initiate a connection. You now start the actual connection. Click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar or Open Displays and select your Apple TV from Add Display. Once selected, choose whether to mirror your Mac screen or use the TV as a separate display. Mirroring is simplest for presentations, while extending gives more desktop space. If Apple TV shows a 4-digit code, enter it on the Mac to pair securely. Make sure you pick the correct resolution and scaling so text and UI elements remain readable on the TV. Finish by selecting Apple TV as your audio output if you want sound through the TV, and tweak resolution or arrangement in displays so windows appear where you expect. When you're done, disconnect through the AirPlay icon to restore normal display settings. If things go wrong, try simple recovery. Restart both devices, toggle Wi-Fi, and temporarily disable Mac Firewall or VPN. These often fix discovery and streaming issues. As a reliable fallback, connect the TV with an HDMI adapter to the Mac if wireless pairing remains unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.